Welcome back to our channel Release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Where will Peyton's presidential objectives lead him in season 3, and the way will it affect his relationships together along with his wife Alice, Julia Scalford, and his mother Georgina Gwyneth Paltrow? Will his political rival grew to become best friend Dee Standish, Judith Light, emerge as his rival again? And while we are able to assume one-third season to premiere, even without a legitimate affirmation from Netflix, there are nonetheless masses of info we will out approximately about the discharge date, solid, and plot of The Politician season 3. As of time of writing, neither Murphy nor Netflix has given a launch date for a while. The Politician season 3 is anticipated to debut. However, Murphy has supplied fanatics with one vital piece of statistics to be chunk disappointing for visitors who are keen to discover how Peyton's tale ends. So even as The Politician in all likelihood coming return for a very last season in some unspecified time in the future with Inside the Destiny, we can be watching for what feels like literal years for that to happen. That huge time additionally brings up another question: which individuals of the solid are in all likelihood to be returned while the collection returns? In the very last moments of the finale of the second season of The Politician, the motion jumps in advance years. We examine Georgina and Dee's presidential marketing campaign changed into success, and Peyton is on the point of run for second period with Inside the New York State Senate unopposed. Everything receives ramped up while he receives a go-to from Dee, who was thrilling proposition for him. She confirms that Georgina simplest plans to function president for one time period, leaving the door open for Dee to run for president herself 4 years with Inside the Destiny. And she wishes Peyton to be her VP while she does. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series reviews, news and updates. Murphy showed in his Collider interview that this Destiny presidential race may be the focal point of the collection's very last season, saying that could manifestly be a presidential race, right? That's continually what we had designed, and I suppose that this is what our plan is. After seasons of looking Peyton scrap it out for smaller political positions, we are going to be seeing him come near attaining his life's goal. Considering how his preceding races went, we assume that presidential election to be complete of betrayals and wild surprises. Even though it will be a chunk of it to get there, it feels like The Politician is making plans on serving its fanatics one hell of a very last season. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video, then hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.